So my name is Omar Rampersad, and that's me. That's me. That's my arm. That's my hand. And that's my microwave detector. It's 1:23 p.m., June 19, 2019. And I'm going to demonstrate to you the signals emitting from my body. That's obviously my arm. I take my arm away. So I'm sitting on my dining room table working on my computer. And my computer is right here. And if I take my arm away, there is no signal, and it's just a few inches away from my computer. If I put my arm, I'm touching it right now, the detector. So where are the signals coming from? So I'm going to demonstrate with the computer. This is the computer. Touching the screen. So the screen is emitting, if I actually touch it, it goes up to 1100 plus. So I take this away, take it away from the computer. That's away from the computer. I touch it with my hand. Take my hand away. And it's close to the computer. Touch my hand. If I turn it around, and notice as soon as I touch it, it goes off. Put my elbow. My elbow. So my body is emitting signals that the computer is also emitting. Take my hand away, nothing. Put my hand there. So it's almost as high as what's being emitted from the computer. That's 800 plus. 900. Just turn that around and show you. My hand, of course. And the computer screen went up to 1100, and my hand is triggering at 800 plus. So where are the signals coming from? So that's close to the computer, and my hand is taken away. So it's detecting some signals. I put my hand back. I put it near the computer. Away from the computer. Take my hands away. Put my hands back. So where are the signals coming from? I'm in pain right now. My back hurts, my head hurts, my hand hurts.